English Activity Sheet Part 2, Section 1, Language Study. Learning Outcomes to enable the students to apply their previous knowledge of English language study to learn to apply medium and challenging language study activities. There are 6 activities, means questions, given here. You have to attempt any 4, each for 2 marks. Question 1, A. Do as directed, any 4, 8 marks. Sub question number 1. Complete the words by using correct letters. A. F R I dash N D. B. Y E dash L O W. C. E N dash M Y. D. L A R dash E. Sub question number 2. Put the following words in alphabetical order. 1. Time, visit, office, heat. 2. Disclose, disease, deposit, danger. Number 3. Punctuate the following. I don't eat non-veg food. And number 2. What a beautiful bird this is. Sub question number 4. Make 4 words minimum of 3 letters each using the letters in the given word. Headmaster. Sub question number 5. Write the related words as shown in the example. School, big. Number 6. Complete the word chain of nouns. Add 4 words each beginning with the last letter of the previous word. Head, H-E-A-D. Now the next word you are going to frame beginning with D, because D is the last letter of the given word. In this way you have to frame the word chain of nouns, minimum 4 words. Now question 1B. Do as directed, 2 marks. Number 1. Attempt any one. A. Make a meaningful sentence by using the given phrase take care of. Or B. Add a clause to the following sentence to expand it meaningfully. You will be successful. Sub question number 2. Attempt any one. A. Add a prefix or suffix to the following words. Treat, ordinary. Or B. Make a meaningful sentence by using any one of the following words. Treat, ordinary. Now see question 1A, sub question 1. Infogap activity means completing the word by using correct letters. 2. Writing the words in alphabetical order. 3. Punctuating the sentences. 4. Making new small words from the given word. 5. Writing related words and making the word chain. All these 6 activities have been already learnt by you in standard 6th, 7th and 8th. And all these are vocabulary enrichment activities. So they are easy and you can attempt them independently. Now we need to focus on challenging activities. Question number 1, B1. Using the given phrase in own sentence needs comprehension. And this is personal response. So everyone's answer may differ from one another. Now see my answer. We take care of grandparents. So when the phrase is given, if you know the meaning of the phrase, you can use it appropriately in your own context as you wish. Let's proceed to the next. B. We also need to practice adding a clause to expand the sentence meaningfully. For this, we need to learn what a clause is, main clause and subordinate clause. A clause is a part of a sentence. Every clause has its own subject and predicate. Now see the answer. The given part in the activity sheet is you will be successful. So the answer is, my answer is, you will be successful if you study sincerely. The given part in activity sheet, you will be successful. This is main clause because it is independently meaningful. Its subject is you and predicate will be successful. The added clause is subordinate clause. If subordinating conjunction, you, subject of the clause, study sincerely, predicate part of the clause. Now, question 1, B to A, prefixes and suffixes. I hope you have learned some of these in previous standards. Examples of suffixes. Suffix comes at the end of the root word. So, example, meant. Root word, arrange. So, arrangement. Root word, manage. Management. Now here in activity sheet the word is asked treat. This is root word. So the answer is treatment. Some more suffixes. IVE, Eve. Root word protect. So protective. Root word object. So objective. Another example of suffix, FUL, full. Root word success. So successful. Root word use, useful. Now examples of prefixes. Prefix comes in the beginning of the root word. Example, re, re. Root word write. So, rewrite. Root word arrange, rearrange. Another example of the prefix, miss, mis. Root word use, so misuse. Root word guide, so misguide. Third example of the prefix, pre. Root word primary, so pre-primary. Root word caution, so precaution. One more example of the prefix, en, n. Root word courage, so encourage. Root word able, so enable. So in this way we need to practice. Here in activity sheet the word is given ordinary. So the prefix is to be used extra. Root word ordinary, so extraordinary. So in this way we need to practice. Prefixes and suffixes help you to enrich your vocabulary. Once you enrich your vocabulary, you can apply it in your own context as you wish. Now task. For more practice, visit https://testmoz.com/q/4012076 for more practice of online English language study. So friends, I hope you have understood these language study activities. In case of any doubt, interact with your English teacher. Thank you.